बंद करना हो ना, रिकॉर्डिंग नहीं ना।
Hello student, welcome back in online class. Yesterday I taught you how can you use the Bode-Maas law. How can you solve the numerical expression which contain more than one variable? To solve that, you use the Bode-Maas law. According to the Bode-Maas law, you remove the brackets. First, you remove the bar brackets, common bracket, and then curly bracket. At last, you remove the big bracket or square bracket. Now, I am going to teach you factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. Now, in previous class, in 5th class, you have studied division. There are dividend, divisor, and quotient. See here, if there is 12, this is dividend, divided by 4, you will get 3. Or if you divide by 3, you will get 4. So here is factor means a number which exactly divides the given number is called factor of given number. Factors means a numbers or the numbers which exactly divide divides the number are called factors. For example, suppose there are 6. We can write 6 is equal to 1 into 6. 6 is equal to 2 into 3. This product is equal to 6. So 1, 2, 3 and itself 6 are the factors. It means 6 is divisible by 1, 6 is divisible by 2, 6 is divisible by 3, 6 is also divisible by 6 itself. So these are the factors. These numbers exactly divide the given number 6. So these are called factors. These are the factors of 6. This is the factors. Now there is a multiple. Here see, what is the multiple? A number, see, here 6 is the multiple of all the factors. So a multiple is the number which is divisible by given numbers. A number are the numbers which is divisible by the given numbers are called a multiple of the given number. Suppose here multiples. If there is 6 given and its multiple means you read the table of 6. 6, 12, 18, 24, 36. These are the number which is divisible by 6. So these number are called multiples. These number are called multiples. So if there is 6 given and 2 given, 2 is the factor, this 2 is the factor of 6, then 2 is the factor of 6, then 6 is the multiple of 2. This is the relation between multiple and factors. Factor means the number which divide the given number exactly are called the factor of the given number. Multiple means that number is called multiple which is divisible by given number. So here 6 given, then 6 is divisible by 6 itself, 6 is divisible by 12, 12 is divisible by 6, 12 is divisible by 6, 18 is divisible by 6, 24 is divisible by 6. So these are called multiple. And you can say there are some relation between multiple and factors. This is the factor of 6, then 6 is the multiple of 2, and 2 is the factor of 6. This is the factors and multiple. See, now one is there are some property of factors. See here, one is the factor of all the numbers. One is the factor of all numbers, and factors are equal to itself number or less than the given number. Third property, itself number is also factor of itself number is also its factors. So this is the factor of property of factors. Suppose here 1 divide every number, and every factor, suppose there are 12 factors of 12, factors of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12 itself. So every factor is either equal to itself number or less than. 1 is less, 2 is less, 3 is less, 4 is less, 6 is less than 12, and only itself factor is equal to the given numbers. So all the factor except itself number is the less than or equal to the given numbers. 1 is the factor of all numbers, and these are some property of the factors. And now multiples. See, itself number is the multiple of also number, and multiple of any number is always greater or equal to itself number. See, multiple of any number, right? If you want to write the multiple of 4, then read the table of 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. These are the multiples. See, what is the number of the multiple? Here is the multiple is infinite. Multiple of any number is infinite, but factor of any number is finite. This is some property of multiple and factors. Now, see, exercise 3. Exercise 3.2. See exercise, open exercise 3.2. First question asking here. Write all the factor of given numbers. Write all the factors of given numbers. You first question given here. First A 18. So you can write C here. 18 is equal to 1 into 18. It is equal to 2 into 9. This is equal to 3 into 6. 18 is equal to 4 not 4 into something you cannot write. 5 into something not right. You can write 6 into 3 again. So all the vectors of 18 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. These are the vector of 18 because 18 is divisible by all these numbers. So these are the called vectors. Similarly, see next question 21. See next question 21. B 21 is equal to it is using right 1 into 21 2 not 2 into something you cannot write equal to 80 21 3 into 7 is equal to 21 4 into any other number not products which is equal to 21 so vector of 21 vectors of 21 is equal to 1 2 no 1 3 7 and 21. These are the vector of 21. Next question see. "48 C 48 you can write 48 is equal to 1 into 48 2 into 24 3 into 16 4 into 12 5 you cannot write 5 into something equal to 48 we cannot able to write 5 into something is equal to 48 and 5 is not vector 6 into 8 7 into something you cannot write 8 into 6 again not coming so vectors of 1 2 3 4 6 8 12 16 24 and itself 48 is also vectors so these are the vectors of 48. Now next question see 63 can write 63 1 into 63 it is not express 63 cannot express 2 into product of some any numbers so 3 into 21 4 into you cannot write 5 also not 6 7 into 9 you can write 8 into something you cannot express as the product of 63 and 9 into 6 7 again coming so vectors of 63 is equal to 1 3 7 9 21 and itself number 63. One more question I am going to tell you. see given 100 can written 1 into 100, 2 into 50, 3 into any other products, 3 into something you cannot express as the 100, 4 into 25, 5 into 20, 6 into something you cannot write as the product of 100. Now 7, 8, 9, 10 into 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, again coming. This number repeating, so factors of 100 is equal to 1, 2, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and then 20, 25, 50, and 100 itself. These are the factors. Now see next question number second. Question number second. List the 5 multiple of each. Second. List the 5 multiples of each. First A given 5. So read the table of 5 only and get the how many multiple asking, 5 multiples of 5 asking, then 5 multiples of 5 is equal to 5 1 are 5, 5 2 are 10, 5 3 are 15, 5 4 are 20, 5 5 are 25. These are the 5 multiple of 5 itself. Now similarly you can read the 9 table, 11 table, 15 table, 16 table and 200 table 5 times. You get the 5 multiple of each number whatever given here you can find. Now see third question asking here, question number third. Write the 8th multiple of question number third. A parts 8th multiple. I'm asking here 8 is mean first multiple, first, second, third, fourth, 8th asking 8 multiple of 80 is equal to 8 into 80 is equal to 640. This is the 8th multiple of 80. And now second asking, find the multiple of 15 between 35 and 85. Then 15 table you read. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, like this. Write the multiple of 15. Asking here, multiple of 15 between 35 and It means 35, then 45 will come, 60 come, 75 will come, then multiple are 15 between 35 and 85 is equal to 45, 60 and 75. These are the multiples between 35 and 85. Question number 4. Question number 4. Asking here, 67 is the factor of 30,000, 30,150 or not. So any numbers are the factor of given number or not, then that numbers, suppose I asking 63, the 7 is the factor of 63 or not. Then if 63 is divisible by 7, then 7 is the factor of 63, otherwise not factor of 63. So you divide 63 by 7, 9 times coming, so you can say that 7 is the factor of 63. So here given numbers, question number 4. Find whether first 67 is factor of 30,000, 150 or not. So divide 30,000, 150 by 63 is divisible, then factor, not divisible, then that is the not factor. So 63 divide 30,150. Divide it. Then your division going 4 times. Here 28. 8 right, carry to 24 and 2. 26. 5 times more, so subtract it. 11, 3, here 9, 3 coming, and then write 5. Now 5 times divide 35. Here is 30 and 33. This is divisible by 450 times. Hence 67 is factor of 30,150. This is the factor. Why factor? Because 67 exactly divide the given number 30,150. So 63 is the factor. If not divide, then that is the not factor. And see one more question given here. 89 is the factor of 4 B. Asking 89 is the factor of 45,342 or not. Same way you do 89 divide 45,342. Divide it. 6 times division you divide it. 5 times 6 times is more. 89 multiply by 5. 45, 4, 44. So 5 times division is going 45. subtract 8, and here is coming 4. Your division not going in B0, and write 2. Each time divide 72. This is 9 times. 9 times divide 9 9 81, 72 and 8 80, 41 remainder coming. See here boys, 45,300. 42 is not divisible by 89, hence 89 is not factor of 45,342. This is not factor. So this way you can find which number is a factor of given numbers or which number is not factor. If the given number exactly divisible by other number, then other number is a factor of given number. Suppose there are two numbers A and B. If B is divisible by exactly divisible by A, then A is called factor of B. This way you can decide factors. And multiple also this way divide. Next, see fifth question. Question number 5. Find common multiple of 12 and 16. Common multiple of 12 and 16. So some multiple like find, least multiple you find. Write the multiple of 12 and write the multiple of 16. This is the least multiple of both. And then you multiply by 2, 3, 4, 5, you get how many multiple asking, that many common multiples you can find. So that is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, etc. Here is 30, 60, 32, 48, 64, 80, etc. You get the first common multiple. You get the, this is the least common multiple, or first common multiple. First common multiple is 48 of 12 and 16. You have to find how much multiple. You have to find 5 multiples. Either there are, this is the one method, you get the first multiple and then 5 first multiple, 5 multiples asking 5 multiples here. So first is 48, second is 2 into 48, third is 3 into 48, 4 into 48, and 5 into 48. This way you can write the 5 multiple. Other way, write all the multiples and select 5 common multiple between both. So this is easy. can find only 1. Multiply by 2, 3, 4, 5, 96. Here is 24 and 12, 144. Multiply by 8, 24, 4. Multiply by 4 into 3, 12 and 2, 14. And here is 32, 2, 16 and 3, 19. Multiply by 5, 40, 0. And this is the 20 and 240. These are the 5 multiples. Common multiple are 6, 12 and 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other method, you write all the multiples, both and common multiple write. This way you can do this question. Now one more question given here. 5 common factor of 240 and 320. Second part, B part of this question. B parts. Asking here 5 common factors of 5 common factors of 240 and 320. This is given. Now we write the factors of 240. How can find factors? You find the numbers which divide 240 exactly. All the numbers which divide 240 that are called factors. So 1 divide 1 is a factor, 2 also divide 2 is also factor, 3 also divide, see, this is equal by 3, 80 coming, 3 divide, 5 also divide, 6 also divide, 7 not divide, 8 divide, it also divide, 9 not divided, 10 not 10 divide, 11 not 12 divide. This way, it's many factor you will get. Now write the factors of some more factor also right here. 24, 11, 12, 13 not divide, 14 not divide, 15 not divide, 16 divide 16, 1 time, coming, here is coming, 14 minus 6 is 8, 80 coming, 85 times cut, then 50 coming, 16 also divide, 70 not divide. Like this are factors, some factors you write. After you write the factor of 320, 1, these are the factors. 2 is the factors, 3 not factor, 4 is the factor, 5 is the factor, 6 not factor, 7 not, 8 is the factor, 9 not, 10 is the factor, 11, 12, 13, 14 not factor, 16 is the factor, and then other factors also. Now write 5 common factors asking, 5 common factors. 1 is the common, 2 is the common, 5 is common, 8 is common, and 16 is common. So Raman factors are 1, 2, 5, 8 and 16. These are the common factors. This is all boys. Now I going to explain some type of number given, types of numbers. See,